Hey guys, I just wanted to share this majestic moment with you this morning. I'm up on top of a mountain here near the sawmill that we're going to be visiting today. Cut some humongous elm and London plane logs, so that's going to be a real treat. But I just wanted to take a little moment here to just soak in the beauty of the process, you know. I just want to say, if you're a carpenter or artist or whatever you create, make sure that you're focusing and experiencing the process in the moment as much as you are striving to completion, you know. And you know, as important as it is to see things through and get jobs done, it's the process and the memories that we make along the way that really stick with us over time, you know. And I've built some awesome projects for other people, and I've lost projects and ruined projects, but the memories of those projects still stick with me, and I really value those just as much as I do, you know, the work itself. And so, yeah, that's my little tidbit, my little spiritual rant for this morning. Now that is a nice piece of wood.
Hey, check this out.
Wow. Brings the color right out. I am about as giddy as a schoolgirl on prom night right now. Ooh, listen to that! Look at this slab of wood! Woo. All these logs. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now that's what I call a live edge tabletop. It's only about 30 feet long though, so it's not big enough for my great room. Look at the size of these Arbutus logs. Woo! He's a beast, a beast. Not to mention all these curved logs. Oh, this is just a timber framer's wet dream right here. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Eugene, the samurai sawmiller, just blew the clutch on his chainsaw, so he's gone to get another one. We'll be back with another video, part 2, when we cut open that big burl covered London plane log, make some more tabletops out of that. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Samurai out. Another awesome thing about embracing the moment is that when you do take time to come out in the middle of nowhere and just soak in this natural beauty, all of a sudden little gifts present themselves. Like here I am in the middle of the bush. You know, people come up here to go camping or whatever, and obviously somebody who came up here camping left this nice pair of Oakleys just sitting on the ground. I just drove up here, got out of my van. Here's a nice pair of Oakleys. They don't even look like knockoffs. So hey, I'd say that's a nice little present, you know? So who knows what you're going to come across when you take the time to just have a moment to yourself. Yeah, free Oakleys, bling bling.